Today, we're talking about what to eat for breakfast when you're sick. Whether you're dealing with a cold, flu, or just feeling run down, these breakfast ideas will help you feel better and get back on your feet. Let's dive in. Number 1. Warm oatmeal. First up, warm oatmeal. It's gentle on the stomach, easy to digest, and packed with nutrients. Here's how to make it extra comforting. Cook your oats with water or milk. Add a pinch of cinnamon for its anti-inflammatory properties. Top with a drizzle of honey, which soothes a sore throat, and some sliced bananas for potassium. Oatmeal is not only filling but also helps keep your energy levels stable, which is crucial when you're sick. Number 2. Ginger tea with toast. If your stomach is feeling queasy, ginger tea is a lifesaver. Ginger has natural anti-nausea properties. Pair it with plain toast or crackers for a simple, soothing breakfast. Brew fresh ginger slices in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a little honey and lemon for extra soothing benefits. Toast a slice of whole grain bread and enjoy it plain or with a thin layer of butter. This combo is light, easy to digest, and perfect for settling an upset stomach. Number 3. Smoothies. If you're not in the mood for solid food, a smoothie can be a great option. Blend together frozen berries, rich in antioxidants. A banana, for potassium and energy. A handful of spinach, for vitamins and minerals. Greek yogurt, for probiotics and protein. A splash of almond milk or orange juice. Smoothies are hydrating, nutrient-dense, and easy to consume when you're feeling weak. Number 4. Scrambled eggs. If you're feeling a bit more hungry, scrambled eggs are a great choice. They're packed with protein, which helps your body repair and recover. Cook your eggs gently with a little butter or olive oil. Add a sprinkle of salt and pepper for flavor. Pair them with a slice of avocado toast for healthy fats and extra energy. Eggs are easy to digest and provide the nutrients your body needs to fight off illness. Number 5. Chicken soup. Don't underestimate the power of chicken soup, even for breakfast. It's hydrating, soothing, and packed with nutrients. Use homemade or store-bought broth. Add shredded chicken, carrots, celery, and noodles. Season with a little garlic and turmeric for their immune-boosting properties. Chicken soup is a classic remedy for a reason. It works. Number 6. Yogurt with honey and berries. Finally, if you're looking for something quick and easy, try yogurt with honey and berries. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt for probiotics that support gut health. Add a drizzle of honey for its antibacterial properties. Top with fresh or frozen berries for a boost of vitamins and antioxidants. This breakfast is light, refreshing, and perfect for when you're not feeling your best. So there you have it, 6 breakfast ideas to help you feel better when you're sick. Remember, the key is to choose foods that are easy to digest, hydrating, and packed with nutrients to support your immune system. Listen to your body and eat what feels right for you. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.